W with MRMIKE.
Hi everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw Holly. This isn't very hard for us to draw at all. All we need are three basic lines and shapes. A circle, an arc, and a line. Let's see how it all fits together. First, we're going to draw circles in the middle of the page. So right about here, place your first circle, and then we'll draw another circle right here. And then our last circle will go right here, just so that they're all touching. Okay. Next, we're going to draw an arc. Arc will go here. Then we'll do another arc. And then another arc. And then we'll do the second half of the leaf. We'll go on the opposite side, an arc. And then another arc. And then we're going to join the last arc right to here. So that's one leaf. Then we're going to do the same thing 2 more times. So over here we'll do an arc, another arc, and then another arc. And then on the opposite side, start here and we'll do an arc, another arc, and then we'll finish off this leaf with another arc, just like that. Now we'll draw the last leaf with arcs. Do an arc, and then another arc, and then another arc here, and then on the opposite side of the leaf, an arc, another arc, and the final arc right there. So the last part we need to add in, we're going to add lines for the center line of each leaf. So start here toward the middle, and we're just going to draw a line in the center of the leaf out to the point right there. And then we're going to repeat that on each leaf. So we'll draw a line, and we'll come out like this, and then another line, and it will come up like this, just like that. So now I'm going to add a thick black outline around the whole drawing. And I don't do this all the time, but sometimes I like to add an extra thick black outline. You don't have to if you don't want to, but sometimes it just finishes off the drawing really nice. And all I do is I trace over the lines that I've already created, and I make the line a little thicker on the outside. And you can follow along. If you need to pause this video at any point, you can pause it so you can catch up. And then when you're caught up, just join us again. Okay, so we're almost done. Just tracing this. And you can always just join that if you miss a spot. I'm going to turn my paper to make it easier to get this section. Finish this berry, and here, just one more arc, and we're good. Okay, and then I might as well just make that thicker too. Look at that holly, everyone! Great job following along. Now, if you enjoyed this drawing, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more drawing fun. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye! For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with MRMIKE.